equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a clean cloth. Ensure you have a replacement battery that is compatible with your device. Start by turning off your device and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws that secure the back cover of your device. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. If your device has adhesive, gently use the plastic prying tool to lift the back cover off. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. Once the back cover is removed, you will see the battery. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the device using the clean cloth. This will help maintain the device's performance. Now, disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This may require a gentle tug or a slight lift, depending on your device model. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. After disconnecting the battery, carefully remove it from its compartment. Take your new battery and place it in the same position as the old one. Ensure it fits snugly and securely. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks into place. This step is vital for the device to function correctly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Once the battery is connected, it's time to reassemble your device. Align the back cover and press it down gently. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this could damage the device. Finally, turn your device back on and check if it powers up correctly. If everything is functioning as expected, congratulations! You've successfully changed the battery. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We are here to help you with no calls, no travel, making the process as convenient as possible. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.